A day in life with an esthetician as a waxer. I'm ready to open my package and get to it. We'll be right back. Yay! 6 and 2 eggs. Let's get into it. And by the way, I'm gonna do a Brazilian wax with it, underarm wax, and a chin wax with it. Be right back. Oh, it smells just like cherries. Like that damn cherry airhead. So, I done went through a whole bag of the Cherry Desire Sexy Smooth Wax. I did 2 Brazilians on the arm wax. Yeah, and I'm about to warm up the next bag, and we're about to get into this on the arm wax and a belly wax and possibly a chin wax. I'll be right back. Bag number 2. Bring you a little bit more. So we're getting ready to do an underarm wax here, chin wax, and belly button belly strip. I'm gonna clean with our pre-wax cleaner. Just get all the deodorant off. So I'm cleaning all the areas, and then I'm gonna go and wax all of them. All right. And we're gonna go in one direction. We're gonna build that lip. And then we'll do a clean up script the other way. All right, let's make sure it's dry. What we're gonna do, we'll apply it in one direction. We're gonna do the clean up script in the other direction. And this is our Sexy Smooth Wax, the Cherry Desire. And we're gonna, and if you break the script, just start over. Re-pull, apply pressure. Apply pressure. That was one script. And now we just got to do the cleanup script. Yes. And yes, this don't leave no hairs. My favorite one is the pink one. But hey, I'm doing the red one. And we just got to do cleanup this way. We're going to apply another script the other way. Opposite direction. Go build that lip. Let that dry. I just went back and added more wax, and I built the lip from the end I'm gonna pull from, so I just pull that flat. Just so we can pull it from that end. Now hold your boob. 1, 2, deep breath. That's the perfect pull. Look at this. Yes, it's leaving no crumbs. Period. The perfect cleanup. And now we're doing the belly strip. She won't let me go no further. So we're gonna do this right here. And this on that, it's okay. I get it. She worry about them little polar boxes. Now I'm just going back to rebuild my script. Oh, that belly in. Let's see if we can get this all in one pull. And just making sure it's dry. What they call this, the happy trail? Ready? 1, 2. Deep breath. Oh, yes. Yes. And then we're just going to do a cleanup script because, yeah, 6 smooth wax definitely got all that. I see a little bit here, a little stack of that. Period. Okay. Just pre-moist there. Clean the chin. And as you can see, all of those areas are already boiled. I'll do the post-wax in a minute. Okay. One, two. 1, 2. No crumbs. Wipe everything down. Good. Let me see on all. Bald. Belly. Bald. Period. Sexy smooth wax. Cherry desire. It is.